Good morning, guys. How are you? This morning I am planting early blue big leaf macrophylla hydrangeas that I picked up on clearance. I've never seen them in 4-inch pots. They're normally in 2 and 3 gallon containers. The height and the width grow 2 to 3 feet, and so they say on the directions it says you can plant them between 12 and 24 inches apart. So I went ahead and mapped it out, and I'm going to plant them 18 inches apart. And they're going to be in somewhat of a semi-half circle. You probably can't see from the camera angle, but we're going to put a 3-tier fountain just in front of these agapanthus. Side note, all these agapanthus I never bought. You can separate agapanthus, and the best time to do it is either spring or fall. We've done it at the height of summertime, and all you do is cut them that's what we've done, cut them in 4s. And so all the agapanthus that I have outside my front window have all been from us dividing them. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start planting. I'm going to add some Bio-Tone and some gypsum in each hole. I'm going to dig a hole twice the size of the container and the same depth. You want the root ball to sit just above the soil level. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. They're all planted in, and I really like how it turned out. The sprinkler I'm going to change. I have to go pick up an elbow. I ran out of them. So this had overhead water because the agapanthus, they don't mind having the overhead water at all. But the hydrangeas definitely don't like that. So I'm going to go pick up an elbow, run drip around it, and I watered it in. I'm probably going to pick up a little bit of compost and surround each plant with a little bit of that just to keep the soil cool underneath. This strip right here gets a little sliver of sun between 7 and 8 in the morning. After that, it's shady until about 11 to 1. From 11 to 1, there are 2 redwoods that I planted these between that are about 15 feet apart. And it will get filtered sun, each plant just a little bit. Between 11 and 1, a little bit of filtered sun, that's going to be okay. So I can't wait to see how they grow over time. I know it's going to take time because they were only in 4-inch pots, but I got a really great deal on them. They were only $3 each on clearance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.